Thank you so much for requesting information about my VIP club. I'm sending you this video to give you all of the information and the scoop on this exclusive and fun club. So what is my VIP club? My VIP club is made up of 6 ladies that love 31 and agree to place a $35 order or collect a $35 order each month for 6 months. Now, don't worry, I have more than one club, so there's plenty of spots to go around. But how does this work? Every month, each of those 6 ladies places a $35 order, either an order of her own or one that she collects from maybe a coworker or a family member or a friend that has seen something that she loves and wants to order one of their own. Or it's also great for scooping up gifts for the upcoming seasons that you have, birthdays, weddings, baby showers, Christmas, anything like that. It's great to get some of those gifts knocked out one month at a time while it still aligns with your budget. So each lady places a $35 order in her club each month, which if you do the math, that gives us enough sales for a minimum $200 party, which then means that one of the 6 ladies each month gets to be the hostess of the club and collect the hostess rewards from that, which hostess rewards consist of free products, half-price items, and exclusive hosted products that you could only get as a hostess. Now, as a hostess of the club, you have the opportunity, if you want to host a party on top of the club. So just from your club ladies' orders, you're going to have a guaranteed party level that will give you the minimum party rewards. However, a lot of my party ladies, our club ladies, choose to host a party on top of that, whether it be a Facebook party, a catalog party, or a home party if you're local to me, to beef up those rewards even higher. So potentially, if you would have an average party outside of the club and combine them together, you could have an $800 party in any given month, which is really exciting. So that's the first perk. The second perk is you get a special thank you gift from me the month that you are our club hostess, just because I appreciate your support of my business. So this is an extra freebie that you get on top. The next perk is I have an exclusive Facebook group just for those of you that are in my club. And in that group, you're going to get to see sneak peeks. The same sneak peeks that my team gets to see way before the rest of my customers get to see. So upcoming customer specials, new products that will be coming out in the future that my main customers do not yet know about. And I also share fun things in there like any extra specials that I have. Do you ever wonder what I do with those extra customer or hostess specials that go unused? They go to my club ladies. That's the only ladies that get their hands on my extra specials. Also, hostess exclusives. Those are only for our hostesses, and every now and then I will have a hostess pass on her exclusives, and I will offer them again only to my club ladies because that is an extra special perk of being in the club. You already have either hosted or will be hosting your own party, and so I have no problem giving you extra hostess exclusives. And so that is some of the fun perks that you get rewarded with by being in my club. Now, I also have a fun referral program that if you refer a friend to join the club with you, you will get extra hostess credit on the month that you are our club hostess, which is even more freebies, and who does not love free, right? So let me know if this is a club that is for you, if you would be excited to take a part in our next club, and I will give you one of my 6 spots that I have available.